Looking for the top 5 best color label printers of 2026? In this video, we'll take a look at 5 excellent options for creating vibrant labels, stickers, photos, and professional-looking prints. We'll compare their print quality, features, connectivity, ease of use, and overall versatility to help you find the right color label printer for your home, office, small business, or creative projects. Starting at number 1. Brother INKvestment Tank 580. The Brother MFC T580DW is a reliable wireless color ink tank all-in-one printer designed for home and home office use. It combines printing, copying, and scanning in one compact device and features refillable ink tanks with Brother genuine ink bottles, providing up to 3 years of ink in the box under Brother's stated usage assumptions. It supports automatic duplex printing, a 150-sheet paper tray, Wi-Fi and USB connectivity, and print speeds of up to 16 pages per minute in black and 9 pages per minute in color. The Brother Mobile Connect app also makes mobile printing, scanning, copying, and printer management convenient, while the included 3-year limited warranty adds extra peace of mind. Number 2. Brother INKvestment Tank 580. The Brother QL820NWB is a professional, high-speed monochrome label printer designed for offices, shipping, organization, and other labeling tasks. It uses direct thermal printing, so it requires no ink or toner, and can print up to 110 standard address labels per minute. The printer supports multiple connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Ethernet, USB, and USB host, making it easy to use with computers, mobile devices, and compatible peripherals. It also features a backlit monochrome LCD for standalone operation and can create black and red labels when using compatible DK2251 continuous tape. With support for labels up to 2.4 inches wide, an automatic cutter, mobile printing through Brother apps and AirPrint, and included P-Touch software, the QL820NWB is a versatile choice for fast and efficient professional labeling. Number 3. Liene PixCut S1 Inspire Kit. The Liene PixCut S1 Inspire Kit is an all-in-one color sticker printer and cutting machine designed for creating custom stickers, labels, photos, badges, and other personalized projects. It combines 300 dpi thermal dye sublimation printing with precision cutting, allowing users to print, laminate, and cut designs in one streamlined process. The PixCut S1 connects to smartphones through Bluetooth 5.0 and supports 4x7-inch sticker paper and 4x6-inch photo paper. Its AI-powered image extraction and cutting features can automatically create precise cutting paths, while the 4-layer printing process produces waterproof, fade-resistant, and scratch-resistant stickers. The printer takes approximately 59 seconds for a print and can create a finished sticker in about 2 minutes. The Inspire Kit includes a generous supply of sticker and photo paper, making it a convenient choice for home crafting, personalized gifts, journaling, small creative projects, and custom label making. Number 4. Makeid D50 Industrial Label Printer. The Makeid D50 Industrial Label Printer is a durable, portable label maker designed for professional applications such as electrical and data communications labeling, cable identification, asset tracking, warehouse marking, safety labels, and equipment identification. It features a 2-inch print head and 300 dpi thermal transfer printing, producing sharp, water-resistant labels designed to remain readable for up to 10 years without fading. The D50 includes an automatic cutter for efficient bulk labeling and an integrated label and ribbon cartridge that can be replaced in about 5 seconds. With Bluetooth connectivity, mobile app support, PC editing software, an OLED display, and a 2,600 mAh rechargeable battery offering up to 90 days of standby time, it provides excellent flexibility for both job sites and office environments. The printer also automatically recognizes compatible label sizes and matches templates, making professional label creation faster and easier. Number 5. Epson RapidReceipt RR620W. The Epson RapidReceipt RR620W is a high-speed wireless desktop color scanner designed for receipts, invoices, financial records, and everyday documents. It features 600 dpi optical resolution, a 100-sheet automatic document feeder, and fast single-pass duplex scanning at up to 45 pages per minute or 90 images per minute. Its 4.3-inch color touchscreen enables convenient computer-free scanning directly to email, cloud storage, or a USB flash drive, while built-in Wi-Fi and USB connectivity provide flexible workflow options. Epson ScanSmart AI Pro technology can extract and convert scanned receipts and documents into searchable, AI-ready data, with support for workflows involving QuickBooks, TurboTax, Excel, and other applications. The RR620W also supports searchable and editable PDFs and mobile scanning through the Epson Smart Panel app, making it a strong choice for home offices and small businesses that regularly process large volumes of receipts and documents.